Hi guys, this is Luis with CarVision.com. We have spectacular everyday deals on 1,000+ imports on pre-owned and new Mitsubishi vehicles. Today I want to show you a great addition to our family. This awesome ride comes with incredible features, and the best part? With the right miles and an unbeatable price. What a deal! So let me show you some of the great features of this vehicle. It's this beautiful color with no dents or scratches, in great condition. It comes with a great set of wheels. This is your set of keys. Let's open this baby and check out the inside. Alright, so the car is extremely clean and smells great. Great space to put your coffee, cell phone, and wallet. So the first thing we noticed is this unique and classy signature dashboard of this automaker. Great finish, slick and smooth. We can see the car is in great shape. Our expert technicians run an exhaustive 118 points inspection on all of the vehicles. We clean and condition the engines as well. Runs great. So let's check out the trunk, main storage or luggage compartment. Great space for your needs. Below you have the spare tire, a spare tire toolkit, and mats. And this completes our tour of this beautiful car. After 22+ years in business here at CarVision.com, we pride ourselves in providing epic and celebrated customer service, winning the renowned Dealer Rate Customer Satisfaction Award for several years in a row. Here you can find the best deal at the best price with a quick and easy approval process, below market pricing, great customizable warranties, and a curated inventory of over 1,000+ imports in 2 convenient locations in the Philadelphia region. Call now to book this ride before someone does. We are all looking forward to meet you in person. Peace and love and safe driving.